Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Gusto for W-2 and 1099 filing authentication, full guide step by step clearly. To begin the authentication process with Gusto for W-2 and 1099 filing, visit the Gusto website. Log into your Gusto account using your email and password. If you're a new user, click on the sign up button and follow the prompts to create your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Documents section in the dashboard. Here, you will find options related to tax filings, including W-2 and 1099 forms. Choose the type of form you wish to authenticate. Select either W-2 or 1099 from the available options. If you are authenticating for the first time, you may need to provide additional information. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your business details. Ensure your employer identification number, or EIN, is correctly entered. After filling out the required fields, click on Continue to proceed. Gusto may prompt you to verify your identity. This could involve answering security questions or verifying your phone number. Check your email or phone for a verification code if prompted. Enter the verification code in the spaces provided. Once your identity is confirmed, you can proceed with the authentication process. Review the information you provided to ensure its accuracy. If everything looks correct, click Submit to authenticate. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your W-2 or 1099 filing is authenticated. If you encounter any issues, refer to the troubleshooting guide available on Gusto's support page. You can also reach out to Gusto customer support for assistance with the authentication process. Once authenticated, you'll be able to easily manage your W-2 and 1099 filings through Gusto. Keep your account information secure for future access. Regularly check for updates or changes in the authentication process on Gusto's website. This will ensure you remain compliant with tax filing requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.